welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie. So today's video, I am going to this place called Hopscotch. It's a pop-up and I think it's been around for a couple of months now, and I know it's gonna be done at the end of this month. I don't know much about it, but what I do know is it's a light and sound interactive art. That's what it says on their website. I don't know. I paid $23 for the ticket, and I do know like the ticket sells out so fast. Like I had to book my ticket like 2 weeks in advance. And I checked on their website this morning. All their tickets for next weekend, which is the last weekend they're gonna be around, is all sold out. So I'm excited to see what this is all about. I'm gonna meet up with my friend over there, so I'll see you guys there.
You guys just sign a quick waiver for me. Only rule, and this is you'll want to know, is that you cannot use a flash in here.
Okay, no, I won't.
Okay, cool, yeah. But
very good. You're all set.
Have a great time.
Thank you. Okay, this is my friend Nicole. Say hi.
Oh, hello.
This is so fun. Oh my gosh. I feel like a kid again. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, people that are like epileptic or whatever. Oh, this is the problem they were having.
I feel like it's watching the messages go through the air.
What message?
Like, if you think about text messages, I've never quite figured out how to conceptualize that till I saw this exhibit.
Okay.
Now I kind of see it as like all these things. Yeah, because you never see it, right?
Dude, that's the most amazing thing ever, honestly. Like, I really enjoyed this. Okay, there's a virtual reality over there. The virtual reality was actually pretty cool, but I wouldn't do it again because that's kind of scary. And this is not very impressive. Like, I saw this on their website and oh my gosh, it's cool from here. Put your head inside. Oh, that's neat. Can you see it from this side?
Oh, you got 3 heads, all the same. Your bone structure is very nice.
It's very underwhelming, like if you're looking from just like yourself. You guys should pair up with them so they can experience it. You guys should pair up with them. Oh!
Oh, you're
Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! This is so... Guys, I feel like a kid right now. Like, I am so excited I came here. $23 was worth it. They have this wall over here. It's a wall of experience.
free mind. I'm extravagant.
Travel to 34 countries in 13 months. What the heck? That is crazy. What experience have you had that most people act? Honestly, I don't know. I don't do shit. Can I say that? I try to draw love. Look at
I'm sentimental. This is
Girl,
epic.
you were everywhere.
My head is gonna get stuck. You know it's big.
Dude.
I can't get out, Margaret.
Do you like it?
I don't like to look at myself in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Why?
different places.
Did you kill somebody?
Are you conceited? Do you like to look at yourself that many times?
I don't mind.
Oh,
Your head is everywhere. Here.
what big head you have, Cole? Oh.
Can you see it now?
Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Can you
6,
see
7,
it?
8, 9, 10.
It's so cool.
Oh my gosh, it's like half your brother, half you.
Dude. I think like when you're looking at it from here in person, you can't see it until you take a picture.
It looks cooler when someone else is doing it than when you.
Exactly.
Is your head gonna get stuck? Can you get it out?
Yeah. My head is coming from the side.
It's coming from this side, that side, and in front of me.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So it's supposed to turn the same color. Look at that.
Yeah, it turns the color of the handle.
This is the least fun one, honestly. Yeah, let's go in there. Okay, we're going in here next. What are we listening to?
You're just pulling it so it can have the thundering sound.
Oh, okay. Let's go hear some thunder, you guys.
I don't like this fast. Slow and steady. That's what she Oh, there's probably a line saying don't step over the line, Margaret. Like, there you go. In the air. Left, right, left, right. Margaret, we're the only people left. We gotta go.
Let's go. Oh, there's more.
It has been going for about 30 seconds if you want to join it.
Oh, sure.
Go, Marge! Oh, that was an ugly one.
Can I go?
No, I'm okay.
Why not? Girl, go scream. What the hell was that?
I gotta save my vocal cords. I can't be using them on stuff like that.
You know what we're supposed to be doing?
Just wait for that one. The most fun one is controlling the tempo on that white one.
We can't figure out what this does.
So basically, the left,
hello.
this left knob controls like which instrument you're controlling, and so you got the volume, the like how much echo is on it, and how much effects are on it, and then right here you can control the how fast everything's going.
Does that work with the lights too?
No, the lights are on. Here, all of these just control the music that's coming out.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Boo to your DJing skills. You need your brother here.
Professionals now, professional DJs. Professionals. We're done here.
Oh, it doesn't make noise.
I was hoping it would. I guess it doesn't do anything.
Please do not touch the stream.
Oh, really?
Welcome to Spirit. It's going to be doing some projection mapping along with live video. So
Okay.
what you want to do is put your toes on the white line, facing the orb, just like she's doing. You got it? And you see it? Yes, it works.
Where's the face?
Check it out right behind you.
Oh my gosh, look at her.
That's my favorite. Okay. And you might have to bend down just a little bit.
Because you're short.
There you go. Now
Oh,
open your
wow.
teeth and kind of rawr.
Wow.
Oh.
San Antonio?
Girl, we're not traveling there, but okay.
Okay. 2 hours later. Oh my gosh, it's 9:05.
Oh my gosh, you guys, she can do math. Okay, it was fabulous, Marge.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Tupac approved.
Yeah, we definitely approved. Like, there's no way anybody would not approve that. That was awesome. Tell them to like and subscribe.
You already know what to do.
No,
Like,
they don't.
subscribe.
If you're my friend, you better comment on my video.
Joe.
No, for real. Thank you guys for watching this video again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye, Nicole. Cool.
Bye.
Bye. See ya. See you next time. Bye.